Okay. It looks like your husband got into the water heater a little bit.
Yeah, he turned the gas off and tried to figure it out.
Okay. I'm gonna need that. Okay. Service call. Just replacing the burner assembly. Rusted screws. Do all the girls that I've loved before. Okay, so we pulled this burner assembly here out. It was wet. Probably why he's not getting spark, a lot of rust. And replaced it with this one, which is dry. Oh, come on. The gas is back on. Hope he doesn't have a bad valve. Okay, so we ended up having to change the pilot assembly out. I went through 2 burner assemblies, and neither one of them would catch. So I took the pilot assembly out of a 50-gallon and put it in this 40-gallon. Somebody put pipe nap on here. It's doing it again.
Did you turn the gas back on?
Yeah, no, the gas is on. I tested it at the valve.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know why it's doing that. It went fine out here.
Are you supposed to be able to see the spark in there or no?
Yeah, you can see it.
Oh,
It's right in the middle. I can see it sparking. It's just not. Like, I don't want to get out of here. Good catch. Strange.
yeah, because it was working outside, right? When you just tested it. That's so weird.
Yeah, you saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm losing my mind.
No, you showed it to me.
Yeah, it came on.
That doesn't even make sense to me.
Hear the gas?
Oh, that's a lot of gas.
Yeah, that's plenty of gas. So. And I can feel the air moving through it. Sometimes they get blocked. I can think of. Because the gas, it's even harder for it to. It's even harder for it.
It's so weird because normally when it gets cold it'll go out, and I just restarted. I've never had an issue, and then the spark stopped. So it's weird that now you have a spark and then it's doing that. Makes no sense because that's never been an issue. If I have spark, it just starts up.
There we go.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh well, you know what? It has been a pain in the ass when it does go out for me to get it finally started again.
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, once it's going now, it should.
Yeah.
It shouldn't go out until whatever the next heavy wind or rain or whatever.
Next time, what I'm going to do is if I can't get it, if something happens in the future, I'm just going to buy a new one and have you come and put it in for me.
Yeah. I mean, this is GE. This can't be later than a 2013.
Yeah, that is a 2011. So. Yeah.
So you're on borrowed time.
So I was.
There's zero maintenance.
So do you think I should buy this one just to buy it and then just keep it in my shed until I'm ready to put it up? I saw this one. The guy said he'll take $250 for it. It's the same one, but like a brand new basically, but it's used. He did a remodel and he switched. Here, let me show you. Okay. I don't know. You think this is a good deal?
For the water heater?
Let me show you. Picture of it.
Oh my gosh!
It's a really nice.
GE's from hell.
Oh, $250?
No.
No, just get what should I get?
No. Buy one for me before you buy that thing.
Okay. Oh, really?
That's a GE, right?
Yeah.
So it can't be any newer than 2013.
Oh,
so
I see.
That's
It's the same shit.
Yeah, never buy a.
Okay.
Don't buy a GE.
Oh, so I'll just buy from you then.
Yeah, you buy from me when you're ready. Hit me up. Give me plenty of advance notice. I get nice ones. 2018, 19, 20 sometimes.
Oh, dude.
I got one that was a month old one.
Oh, okay.
Like just people return them.
So should I just start looking for one then? I need to get some money together.
Yeah.
Hopefully this will last me a couple months. And I got your number, and then.
Yeah, exactly. So you're good now. You got
it back together.
You got hot water now, which is the most important thing. That was weird though. That's 2 nights in a row that's happened. I don't know what's going on. It was wet inside there, and I dried it out a little bit, but it wasn't really wet enough to cause all those burner assemblies not to ignite. So I don't know what's going on, but we got that one, and that's what's important. And it's going now. It's probably going to burn off some condensation, so you're going to start hearing some drips fall, and the flame's going to get really yellow. All right. We finally got it. It was a little bit tricky. The flame looks terrible, but we'll take it because they need hot water. So GE 2011. I can see the condensation just frying right there on the pan. So it was a heavy rainstorm last night, so I got 6, 7, 8 service calls today, and this was one I was able to film. Anyway, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and have a great day. Okay, I just had to show you guys this. I just did this service call. I replaced this burner assembly. I wasn't even going to film it, but I just had to show you this. Look at this. Look at this. You got an angle stop, right? This is the hot. You got an angle stop with a braided line. This is a pipe. This is a it's like a shower arm neck, I think they call them, or like a shower head arm threaded into an adapter. I mean, this is crazy. And then where's the cold? Oh wait, what? I think this water heater's installed in reverse. Check it out. This is like cold in, hot out. They flipped it. They reversed it. So the water heater's been plumbed in reverse, maybe. I see a shut off back there. But look at this. And then you got like a water line. Yeah, this has to be the cold. Oh, okay, so that's okay. So they got it right. This is the cold. It just happens to be on the left. feeding the refrigerator. Here's the water line, and then here's your hot out. This is just wild. Oh, I've done like 11 service calls in the last 3 days of all the flooding in San Diego, and I'm a little delirious. But this one had, I told them to call SDG&E, and they came out and tagged it. But this one had a broken switch. So it was super quick. Just replaced the burner assembly basically. But yeah, had to share that with you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.